Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care. Introducing a fresh new brand, following their dreams. Faith, hard work, and dedication is the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's the knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology ain't no apology. Don't make it hard, man. It ain't trigonometry.
What is going on, everybody? Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are having a blessed, safe day. If you are off work, congratulations. If you're working, hey, congratulations, because you still got a job. You feel what I'm saying? So today, as you can see by the on feed, I figured I would go with a red, white, and blue sneaker. I didn't have anything new, but I figured why not continue my journey of going through my collection and just giving you guys a on-foot look and a review of the sneakers that I already got, just in case you're thinking about reaching back, grabbing them. So today we're going to be going with the Jordan 1 OG crazy sneaker that I really love. Glad I was able to add it to my collection for retail. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate that. Turn on the notification bell, comment down below, share the videos, like the videos, do all the great things. It helps the channel grow. So I appreciate you guys. Now, let's do what we always do and start with this box. All right, so this shoe originating back in 2019, part of the Jordan brand Fearless pack. So that's why you see the introverted Nike box, Jordan 1 box. So we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Fearless. Retail was $160. White, black, university blue. This is 11.5. In most patent leather Jordan 1s, I go a 12 because for me, they fit snug. I don't know why, but the patent leather fits tighter. But as we open up this box, a lot of stuff came with this. You had this pamphlet or this little paper right here. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Michael Jordan. So if you're going to order these, make sure it has this stuff in it. Make sure that this is in there. This comes with the authentic pair. And then it's a hang tag that's like a leather. It says limit like fears are often just an illusion. And then it says fear right here. That was a hang tag on the shoe. And then you have the paper that says limits are like fear or whatever. And then this was the little chain that was on the tag or whatever. But that's it for the box. Let's talk about this sneaker. All right, so this is a sneaker that came after the women's pair of UNC to Chicago's that dropped. This came second. This is an all patent leather upper, as you guys can see. Again, sizing wise on patent leather Jordan 1s, in my opinion, y'all comment down below. I say go half a size up. They fit snug for me. I don't know why. And Jordan 1s, usually I can get away with 11, but I'm 11 and a half true to size, and I have to go a 12, but this one's 11 and a half because this is all I could get. But as you guys can see right here, it's a predominantly patent leather upper. You have the Chicago red on the toe box right there, and then you have the white. I put the university blue laces in there. If I'm not mistaken, they did come with red laces and white laces. The Jumpman logo is like this plastic, kind of look like a hologram 13 in my opinion. I've never liked that, so that's one of the knocks I don't like about the sneaker. I wish they would have just went with the standard OG Wings logo. But you have the black patent leather Nike swoosh on the butt end of these things. You do have that universally blue patent leather, and then the white outsole on the bottom is that red outsole. I have wore these things quite a bit. Like I said, it's been since 2019. On the tongue, black nylon tongue with the Nike Air right there. And then on the inner side of the shoe, it's the exact same thing. You can see a little bit of creasing right there when it comes to the patent leather. The sock liner is an all black sock liner, and then I did take out the insole because the insole was a little bit different. Has the fear, and then limits often just an illusion, just like the theme for these sneakers. So that is pretty much it for the insole. Here is the other sneaker. I'm gonna take it out in the sunlight for you guys just to kind of show you that patent leather effect. But as you guys can see, this sneaker is nice, man. Very nice sneaker, super clean. Just one of those things, man. If you want a red, white, and blue sneaker. I feel like this is a good one to go with. Of course, it's like that university blue, so it's really not that royal blue, but I don't have the top 3, and I wish I had that one, but this is a pretty good sneaker to add to your collection. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions. Resale right now, as you can see on the screen, average on StockX is like $241, but for my size, which is 11 and a half, 12, you see it's like $300. So you're gonna be looking at that price range if you're looking to cop these things, but still, again, very affordable from what they used to be, because this used to be a $500 sneaker. But as we know, Jordan 1s ain't getting no love, no respect, so now is the best time to buy. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if this is something that you own, or if this is something you're thinking about copping. Let me know down below. I appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a good 4th of July. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. Hey, if nobody else told you, I love you guys, and the God loves you also. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Gone.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.